So you've decided to explore Chronolog, which is awesome. And in this video, we'll walk you through the process of getting started from placing an order to setting up your photo station, collecting your first photo, and then sharing your time lapse with the world. And if you're still wondering why you should get a Chronolog or what you want to monitor, check out our introductory video. Each Chronolog photo station consists of two parts, the bracket and the instruction sign. The only thing not included is a 4x4 wooden post, which many choose to attach their bracket to. And you might decide to buy one separately, or you're welcome to install the bracket on an existing structure. Chronolog customizes your signs with your project's logos and a unique site ID. This three-letter code will be the subject line that visitors use to submit their photos by email. And we recommend using letters from your organization's name. For example, Shenandoah National Park installed their very first Chronolog along Skyline Drive. If they had chosen SKY, Sky, as their site ID, they would have had to keep using that ID for additional sites around the park, even if those were not on Skyline Drive. That's why they chose the code SHE for their organization's name. And if you'd like, we can suggest a code for you. Once you've submitted your logos for the instruction sign, you'll be able to review the design and approve it before it's produced. And then after that, we'll ship you the materials to install on site. So stay tuned till the end of this video for setup tips. A Chronolog photo station costs $400 per year with discounts for bulk orders. For example, if you host 2 stations, they're $300 each. 3 stations are $250 each, and so on up to $200 off per station when you host 10 of them. And your subscription only starts when you upload the first photo. There's no contract or automatic billing, and you only renew if you want to. You can also prepay for up to 5 years, which many organizations that use grant funding choose to do. To place an order, email info@chronolog.io with the number of photo stations that you'd like and your preferred site ID. Next, we'll send you an invoice and then get you set up with an account. With an account, you'll have access to your very own organizer dashboard. This is your customized command center where you can easily download photos and reports to track progress at your site. You'll get an email invitation to join the dashboard. Just follow the instructions to log in. Then, share your shipping address so we can send you your photo station materials, upload your logos for your custom sign. You can also include partner logos here, and enter details about what you're monitoring, which will be sent in an email to every person who takes a photo at your site. You'll also be asked to upload coordinates for each photo station. Not sure what to monitor yet? No worries. You can update this later and your time lapse won't be public until the first photo is uploaded. After you approve the layout of your instruction sign, expect your bracket and sign to arrive within about 2 weeks. Choosing the right location is key. Your Chronolog should tell a story. Whether you're tracking a restoration project, water levels, invasive species like these cattails here, or storm recovery, pick a site that's accessible and gets plenty of foot traffic. If your station is in a more remote area, like a research site, that's fine too. Just keep in mind that fewer visitors may mean fewer photo uploads. Once your bracket and sign arrive, decide where to place it. Most parks choose to mount the bracket on a 4x4 wood post in the ground, or they'll find an existing wood structure to mount it to, like a wood railing or a boardwalk. And before installing, please make sure you have authorization to place a station at your chosen site. To install, you'll need a drill with a square drive, also called a Robertson screwdriver, plus the wood screws that we will provide you. You'll also need a bit extension on your drill so it can reach the pre-drilled hole unobstructed. And if you're installing on a post, you'll need to procure that 4x4 wood post, as well as a post hole digger and a shovel. For ADA compliance, we recommend placing the bracket 4 feet above the ground. Some sites choose to add their own interpretive signage near the bracket to provide context, or link the Chronolog projects to their other initiatives. You could also add signage directing visitors to your station, like Chronolog this way, or an explanation in your visitor center or at trailheads. These types of signs are completely optional. This is important. Before securing the bracket, use your phone's camera to frame the scene. You don't want to have to change this viewpoint later. So ask yourself, is this the vantage point and angle that I want? Will seasonal changes like growing vegetation block the view? And if what you're monitoring is something that will grow or shift, will it stay in frame over time? When you've secured the bracket, take your first photo and upload it to Chronolog. You'll get an email confirmation back. Before leaving, snap a photo of the newly installed station and upload it to your dashboard. This helps us keep a record for future reference. You can manage everything from the organizer dashboard, removing unwanted photos, updating descriptions, and sharing your time lapse. You also have the option to disable photos that include people. To spread the word, embed your time lapse on your website, or publish a press release, or share about your new community science project on social media. To keep things running smoothly, review your photos periodically and remove low quality ones. Keep the sign and bracket clear of debris, and update site descriptions to share progress. That's it. Your Chronolog is now set up and ready to document change over time. To place an order, email info@chronolog.io with the number of photo stations you'd like and your preferred site ID. If you have any questions, email us there too. Happy monitoring!